Hey there, welcome back to another quick and powerful session on Rexx programming with Topictrick. If you're new here and want to level up your scripting skills, especially for mainframes or automation, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out our complete Rexx course on Udemy. Let's dive into the heart of Rexx, variables and expressions. You've probably seen a simple program where we use commands like say, pull, and if. These instructions are always followed by one or more elements they work on. For instance, say is used to display output, and it's followed by whatever text or value you want to show. Pull grabs input from the user and assigns it to a variable. Now, here's something cool about Rexx. Variables don't need to be declared beforehand. You can just start using them. They come to life the moment you refer to them. Want to create a variable? Just assign something to it, like this. Name equals Topictrick age 25. No need to define the data type. Why? Because all variables in Rexx are typeless. That means Rexx stores everything as strings, and based on the content, it figures out what to do with it. If the string contains digits, you can perform math on it. If it's pure text, you treat it like a string. No worrying about integers, floats, or strings like you do in other languages. Rexx handles it smoothly. So, what do Rexx variable names look like? They can include letters, numbers, and special characters like dot, underscore, exclamation mark, and even a question mark. Just remember, your variable name can't start with a digit or a dot. For example, username equals Alex. User score equals 100. If a variable name has a period in it, like score.player1, then we're talking about compound variables, which are basically arrays. But we'll explore that later in the series. Need to do math or generate a random number? Rexx functions make it simple. For example, the number equals random 110. This assigns a random number between 1 and 10 to the variable the number. Functions always use parentheses, and even if there are no inputs, the empty brackets are required. Now let's talk about values. Here are a few examples of numbers in Rexx. Whole number equals 15, decimal example equals 14.2, negative number equals -21.2, exponential equals 14e plus 12. Even though these look like different types, Rexx treats them all as strings behind the scenes. Pretty neat, right? Ever used an unassigned variable? Rexx will return the name itself in uppercase. So if some variable equals some variable, then say it's uninitialized. Lastly, if you want to use strings or characters, just wrap them in quotes. Single or double, either works. Want a quote inside your text? Just double it up or mix the types. Like this, greeting equals here's a message. Another equals he said, hi there. So that's your crash course on variables and expressions in Rexx. It's flexible, simple, and really powerful once you get the hang of it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to Topictrick, and check out our full Rexx course on Udemy if you want to master it step by step. Catch you in the next one.